I think it's 5 minutes up. There are 36 students, so we can start, right?
Yes, sir, we can start.
Yes, sir.
Sounds okay.
So can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
hear you.
Sir,
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
but
Okay.
your board is not clear, sir.
Sir, the
Sir,
writing in
board
the
is
board
not
is
clear,
not
sir.
visible, sir.
Sir, your board is now clear, sir.
Thank you, Shakibul. Today, right now, my network is good. Weather is good. It is clear, but I don't know. Maybe it will be a problem. Dear student, now we can start. I think you can hear me clearly. There are 39, 38 students, including me, 39. So we can start. Our first chapter is Foundation and Logic. So first chapter that is given in page number 1. Eh? You can check from Rosen book, page number 1. And dear student, because uh, yesterday I already told you that is do not focus or do not memorize anything. Just try to understand, right? Understand the procedures, right? Like maybe there is a big difference. Uh, uh, Try to understand whatever you have written, whatever we are reading or writing. There are some keyword. You must have to focus on the keyword, right? You must have to know what is the meaning of this keyword. Otherwise, it will be maybe you are just wasting your time. Maybe. So try to understand. Do not memorize anything. Just try to understand. Okay, that will be easy, and I think that is the goal. So just after finishing this class, objective of today's class, you will be able to know the logics, and there are some basic logics. We are going to define this one, right? Still there are Imtiaz, you are late. So dear student, our first chapter is logics and foundation. So logics and foundation, their first starting keyword is proposition. Proposition. First, yeah, is proposition. Proposition. Okay. So what is proposition? What is proposition? If we want to define the proposition, proposition means a statement. Focus on the statement. Proposition means statement. Proposition means statement, right? A proposition is a statement that is true or false, but not both. That is either true or false, but not both. Do you understand? No need to write down the definition. Just try to understand. You will get all these things as a lecture sheet. Video is not clear. I cannot see.
Sir, yes, sir. Video is not clear, sir. লেখাগুলো স্যার বোঝা যাচ্ছে না, স্যার।
আর লেখা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না, স্যার।
How can I fix this? Now, can you see this?
No, sir. Sir, because of network, maybe. Sir, the লেখাগুলো ভাঙা ভেঙে আসতেছে, স্যার।
Sir,
জি
I
স্যার,
think
লেখাগুলো
this
স্যার
is
ভেঙে ভেঙে আসতেছে, স্যার।
sir, I
মাঝে
think this
মাঝে
is
ক্লিয়ার
not
দেখা
network
যাচ্ছে।
issue, sir. Sir, this is meat issue actually, maybe.
স্যার মাঝে মাঝে ক্লিয়ারলি বোঝা যাচ্ছে, বাট একটু পরেই আবার ব্লারি হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে মেবি নেটওয়ার্ক।
Sir, those who have net problem, they are facing this problem.
Munna, can you see this board clearly?
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Yeah, but today my network is good. That's why I'm just here.
So
telling.
those who are
But
facing
I am
net
not.
problem, they are facing this problem, sir. Otherwise, that
If my net
it's
problem,
clear.
then all of the students there will be a problem, right? If someone, yeah, then maybe some.
Sir, maybe some other student have net problem. That's why this problem
Yeah.
facing that student.
Sir, can we try
Thank you,
Zoom?
Sakib. We can try, but we have to first submit the link to the or automation monitor, or I mean automation. Then we can take. Then we can switch Zoom. Okay. Maybe we can spend first week, then we can conclude, right? By this.
Sir, for example, just we can create a link right now in a Zoom and we can try. If it is working, then we can switch, sir.
Okay, Baijit, thank you for your suggestion. But whatever I am doing, first I have to inform to the automation, because if I switch to the Zoom, if monitoring unit comes, then maybe uh, they cannot check me whether I am doing my duty or not, something like this. So inshallah, next class I will try. Okay.
Okay,
I
sir, I
have to
understand.
first submit the link. I mean, first I have to inform to the authority, then I will switch. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir, sure.
Baijit.
Yes, sir, yes, sure.
So
Thank you, sir.
next class we can try. I'm sorry for this today's class, Baijit.
No problem, sir. It's okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
স্যার
Okay.
ভিডিওটা আপলোড দেওয়া হবে না স্যার গুগল ক্লাসরুমে স্যার?
Yes, yes. Just after
Okay.
finishing this class, I think you can check yesterday class that is uploaded, already uploaded.
ওকে স্যার।
Abdul Latif, that is, you can check your Google Classroom.
Yes sir, okay, I
That
will
is
check sir.
given. And another, Hamim Hassan, why you are late? And there is some problem. Hamim, can you hear me? Hamim, can you hear me? Hamim Hassan, can you hear me? Hamim, you can call me. You can call me just after finishing this class, or maybe when you are free, then you can call me through Messenger, through WhatsApp or email. There are so many so you can call me by this. Hamim, can you hear me?
Sir,
He has hearing problem.
Sir, Hamim has listening problems, sir.
Yes, I know him. That's why, please, you should inform. Okay. Labib, Farhan Labib, you can just inform him. You can maybe he may contact with me through the Messenger or WhatsApp or email when he is free. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now coming to the proposition. So what is proposition? A proposition is a statement. A proposition is a statement that is either true or false, but not both. A proposition, should I write down the definition? Should I write on the board?
No need, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So a proposition, we are defining. We want to define the proposition. So what is proposition? Proposition is a statement. That is a complete sentence. Proposition is a statement that will be true or may be false, but not both. As for example, today is Tuesday, right?
Yes,
Today
sir.
is Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, today is Tuesday. So is it right or not? I think this is a statement.
Right,
Statement
sir.
means a complete sentence, right? A statement
Yes,
means
sir.
there is a complete sentence, right? Today is Tuesday. So now you have to check. You have to determine whether today is Tuesday or not. If your answer is yes, that means this is true, right?
Yes, sir.
So since this is true, so you can say today is Tuesday. This is a proposition. This is the complete sentence is a proposition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And if I say today is Friday, this is a statement. This is a complete sentence. Quotation would start from today is Friday. So this is a complete sentence. Now we have to determine whether today is Friday is true or false. So if we check today is Friday, this is a false, right? This is since this
Yes,
is a
sir.
false. That's why you can say today is Friday. This total today is Friday. You can say today is Friday. Today is Friday. This complete. This is a proposition. This complete sentence is a proposition. This is a statement. First, whether it is a statement. Definitely this is a statement, complete sentence. Today is Friday. This is statement. So a proposition is a statement that is either true or false. This is a false. If we check it, if we determine it, this is a false sentence, right?
Yes, sir.
Since this is false, since this is false, since this is false, that's why you can say this total is proposition. Today is Friday. This total sentence is a proposition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So if I say today is Tuesday, then you have to check whether it is true or false. Today is Tuesday. This is true. Since this is true, then you can say yes, this is a proposition. Then you can say yes, this is a proposition. Today is Tuesday. So if false, either false or true, that is proposition, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 plus 2, is it true or false? 1 equals to
False,
2,
sir.
is it true?
False,
False.
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 Is
And
false,
can
sir.
you say this is a proposition or not?
Proposition, sir.
It's a proposition.
Yes, sir.
This is a proposition. If I ask you the question, why you are telling this is a proposition?
Because it has truth or false value.
It's a
Because
false
this is
statement.
false. This is a false statement. That's why it is a proposition, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if I ask you a question, what time is it? What is the time? If I ask you this question,
128, sir.
128. What is the time? So what is the time means actually this is not specific. You cannot determine whether it is true or false. Another example, I'm coming later. As for example, x plus y equals to 5. If I say x equals to x plus 1 equals to 3, is it a proposition?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Khaja, why you are telling this is not a proposition?
Because sir, here the value of x is not defined.
Very
Because sir,
good.
it has
Because yes, because we don't know what is the value. Here unknown is x. Here unknown is x, so we don't know the value of x. So without knowing x, without knowing the exact value of x, you cannot determine whether this line, whether this statement is true or false. We can make it proposition We can make it proposition, that's a different talk, but without knowing x, without knowing exact value of x, we cannot determine whether this sentence is true or false. Fully we are unable to determine whether it is true or false, so we cannot say this is a proposition, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x plus 1 is equals to 3. This is not proposition. So I think maybe you understand this. What is proposition? Or do you have any question about the proposition? Do you have any question about proposition?
No, sir.
No, sir, not now, sir.
So dear student, okay, thank you. Dear student, proposition means first you can check the statement, complete sentence. Then you need to check, second step, you need to check whether it is true or false. If you are able to identify it is true or false, then you can say this is a proposition, otherwise not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
As for example, x plus y equals to 5, you cannot say this is a proposition. X plus 1 equals to, and what time is it? You are telling my question is same, right? My question was same, that is, my question was what is the time? You are telling 1:28. You are telling 1:28, but now if I ask this question right now, you are answering it's now 1:31, right?
Yes, sir.
Like x plus 1, without knowing this x, you cannot say. This is not specific, right? So what time is it? You cannot say this is a proposition. This sentence is not a proposition. Okay, dear student?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So that is given, proposition is given in page number 2. What time is it? Read this carefully. X plus 1 equals to 2, xy equals to z. All these are given propositions, okay? You can check there. Now coming to the mathematics. We know what is proposition, right? Now, proposition is denoted by a small letter. Proposition is denoted by a small letter. Like instead of writing today is, instead of writing, instead of writing today is Tuesday, instead of writing this, we can denote it by small letter p, small letter. We can denote it by small letter, okay?
Okay, sir.
This is a symbol, right? As for example, 5, we have written in language, but if I explain it in terms of, so you can, numerically, you can represent it by 5. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Something like this, we are denote this total sentence. Instead of writing this, we can just represent by P or any letter, is small letter, lowercase letter, okay?
Sir, should we
Because
use P or any other small letters is applicable,
any
sir?
other small letter, you can denote it by, a small, right?
Okay, sir.
Actually, there is no boundary condition, Labib, Farhan Labib. There is no condition, such a condition. You must have to write because when we have to draw the truth table, right?
Yes, sir.
We have to draw truth table. So for drawing truth table, we have to use capital letter, and proposition we are using lowercase letter. That is the idea. But there is no necessary and sufficient condition. You must have to write lowercase and uppercase. That is not. For distinguish this one, the for truth table capital T or capital letter, and the small part, small segment, that is a proposition we are denoted by a small letter. Do you understand? Small letter. Do you understand, Farhan?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
But do not say this is the boundary condition. Must we have to write? No, there is no something such a rule. Okay, we are doing this only for our simplicity. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today is Tuesday. Instead of writing this, we can write a small letter. Now coming to the proposition, since we know the proposition, another word, another keyword we must have to know, that is the negation. What is the negation? Negation of proposition. Negation means negative. Today is Tuesday. What will be the negative?
That today is not
Friday.
Wednesday.
Today is not Tuesday, or today is Friday, something like this, or any other day. Negative, just negative. Negation means negative of that original statement. So if I ask you this question, the Sanjida Khan PC runs fast. Sanjida Khan PC runs fast. So what will be the negation? Sanjida?
Sanjida Khan PC cannot run fast.
Sanjida Khan PC does not run fast, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sanjita, something like this. This is the negative of this original statement. Okay. So if I ask you, if I ask you, suppose the Sanjida Khan PCs, suppose Sanjida Khan PCs does not run fast. Does not run fast. তাহলে কি লিখবেন? What will be the negation? What will be the negation of this statement?
Sanjida's PC run fast.
Run fast, right? Sanjida
sir.
Khan PC run fast.
Run
Okay.
fast. Yes, sir.
This is the negative. Two negative makes an affirmative, something like this. I think you know. So this is the procedure. Now negation. We denoted if Sanjida Khan PC, if I write Sanjida Khan PC run fast, if I denote it by P, right? Proposition. If instead of writing this whole sentence, we can, this is very easy and user friendly, right? So if we denoted it by P, so what will be the negation? Negation of this is the negative sign, right? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Or maybe or like this, negation of P. Okay, this symbol. Okay, so we are using this one, right? Instead of using this is the negative of P, this tilde sign or something like this. Tilde, how to write tilde sign, huh? It's called tilde, mathematical name tilde. Do you understand, dear student? Or you are feeling boring? You are belongs with your family, I think. Do you understand or not?
Understand it, sir.
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
So negation done. Negation of proposition.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, also these symbol are included in this book. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Actually, there are so many ways to represent, to denote. So you can denote it by any, whatever you are like, you can denote it, right? There is no standard rule. I mean, SI rule, that you must have to denote it by this one.
Okay, sir.
Habib, do you understand?
Yes, sir. I can.
So there are so many examples given in page number, which page? Page number 3. You can try because all these are very simple things. Now, dear student, coming to the conjunction. Another proposition name is conjunction. Negation done. We have finished two things. One is proposition, another is negation of proposition. Now coming to the conjunction. Conjunction of proposition. The conjunction of proposition is denoted by, actually conjunction means in between two, right? Conjunction, you have to derive conjunction in between two propositions. I mean multiple
Yes,
proposition,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Two
Like the
proposition,
true,
two
like the
proposition.
true and false, both, sir.
Yes, yes. Two proposition, right? Two.
Yes, sir.
One, two. Two proposition. So you have to derive conjunction between two propositions, right? So conjunction means conjunction, the conjunction, if we denote P and Q are two proposition. If we denote, if we consider P and Q two proposition, we have two proposition. One is P, another is Q, right? Like today is Tuesday and today is sunny. Today is very sunny. Today is Tuesday. Today is very sunny, right? Today is Tuesday and today is sunny, something like this. Do you understand, dear student?
Yes, sir.
So we have considered two individual proposition. Two individual proposition, P and Q. So this conjunction is denoted by, the conjunction is denoted by P conjunction Q, right? This is the half cross sign. Half cross sign. I am telling half cross because this is full cross. This is not rule. If we eliminate this, this is half cross. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Actually, there is nothing jokes in mathematics, that's why.
So what is the name of this
So,
cell?
Mehdi,
So what is the name of this cell? Of course.
this one,
Yes, sir.
this is the half cross, we are just telling, half cross. But mathematical name is conjunction, and sign, and sign, or its name is conjunction, or half cross. Half cross.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Sir, and means logical and.
Yes, logical and. I think
Okay,
you have
sir.
finished your operator, logical and operator, one operator. So that is something like this. Not something like this exactly. Okay, Rahul, Rahul.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So when conjunction means this individual two proposition, that will be true if P and Q are true, otherwise false. Do you understand? What is the conjunction? The conjunction of P and Q, conjunction between two proposition, the conjunction that is true. This conjunction is true. That will be true, right? When it is true? When it will be true? When both P and Q are true. Individually, when both are true, that time it will be true only, otherwise false. Do you understand or not?
Understand, sir?
When at least this conjunction is true, we are dealing two proposition, right? P and Q. We are dealing two proposition P and Q, and we are going to determine what is the conjunction of these two proposition. Do you understand? We have two proposition P and Q. We have to determine what is the conjunction of these two proposition. So for determining this conjunction, how can you determine? This conjunction will be true. This conjunction will be true when P and Q are true. Individually both are true, that time it is true, otherwise false. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Understand it,
if
sir.
Yes, sir.
sir, if P
Yes.
P is true and Q is false, then what is the result?
That is false. Actually, look, Eto is true when P and Q are true, right? Individually, when both are true, that time it is true. Conjunction is true. Otherwise, false. Otherwise, false. Do you understand, Sanjida?
Yes, sir. I can understand.
So we can deal with this conjunction, right? Suppose this is our definition. Suppose we can make the truth table. Suppose P and Q. These are the two individual proposition. Okay. Can you see this? I think maybe you can see this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So P and Q conjunction is denoted by P conjunction Q. That's why we are just writing is mathematical. So P and Q we can take two. So there are four ways. There are four possibilities, right? Since you are dealing two things, so two things means there are four chances.
Yes, sir.
So you can say TT, FF, TF, TF. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So now check, when P is true, Q is true, what is the definition? Definition
Then
says that the P
true.
and Q is true when both are true. So we can write here true, T, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now P is true, Q is false. Is it satisfy this definition? Is
No,
it
sir.
No,
satisfy
That
sir.
is
this
It
false.
is
conjunction
false.
definition? No, it is otherwise. It satisfies the otherwise condition, so otherwise means it's false. F true, false. So it does not satisfy this one, right? It does not satisfy this first one.
Yes, sir.
So this is definitely otherwise condition. It satisfies the otherwise condition. False, false. It does not satisfy this. When both are true, then you can write down true. Otherwise, so it satisfies the other one. So definitely all these are false. Is it clear? Conjunction clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Do you have any question about conjunction?
No,
Do you have
sir.
any question? Lubna, Sakibul.
No, sir. Not now.
What about the Hamim? Hamim, you can you hear me? Hamim, what about your progress? Mr. Hamim? Hamim Hassan, can you hear me? Hamim Hassan. Hamim Hassan. Jobair, Mr. Jobair.
Yes, sir.
Jobair. Can you hear me, gentlemen? Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Conjunction of proposition.
Yes, sir.
Can you help us? What is conjunction, Jobair? Jobair.
Hello, sir.
Can you help us? What is conjunction? Jobair? I think you should respond. Otherwise, how can I understand? Whether you are sleeping, whether you are taking your lunch, or what? Tanjum Akhtar? Tanjum, can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes, sir.
Do you
Tanjum Akhtar.
understand, Tanjum?
Yes, sir.
Tanjum Akhtar, can you help us? What is conjunction?
Conjunction is a true proposition when
Yes.
two P and Q both are true. Then we can find true. This is conjunction. Otherwise, all the time it will be false. If any value P or Q is false, then it will be false.
Okay, Tanjum. Uh, Another
Sir, can I?
question. Yes, yes, Shakibul.
Sir, like that, conjunction is a statement that between two proposition.
Yes.
Like that, sir. It goes to true or false, both. Like that, true and true equal true, and true and false equal false. That type of thing, sir.
Had. But if false and false, if false and
That
true,
is also false, sir.
Shakibul.
No, sir.
So
That is
you have to
also false, sir.
conclude. That is the otherwise. Yeah. Very
Okay,
good,
sir.
Shakibul. Aisha,
Yes, sir.
what is conjunction? Can you help us, miss?
Yes, sir. Conjunctions between two individual propositions denoted P and Q. When
Yes.
P and Q are both are true, then we are identify the true. Otherwise, any proposition is false, then we are identify false.
I don't know what about the area. Okay, okay, Aisha, I have another question. Other student, question for general, right? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. This is one proposition. Okay, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
আমরা কিন্তু ম্যাথমেটিক্স থেকে একটু বের হয় দিস ইজ আওয়ার ম্যাথমেটিক্স আই নো ম্যাথমেটিক্স ইজ ভেরি ইজি বাট when we convert in real life that time maybe it's difficult, so please try to understand. This is the things whatever we have done, this is good, right? Now today is Tuesday, and my area, in my area the weather is good, right? So today is Tuesday. This is the one proposition, you can quote it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
Aisha.
yes,
Today
sir.
is Tuesday. One
Today's
proposition.
Tuesday, one
Another
proposition.
proposition.
The weather is good.
Weather is good. Today's weather is good.
Yes, sir.
So
Both
what is
are
the
true.
conjunction?
Sir, conjunctions, sir, both are statement are true. That's why I am saying that the conjunction
Okay,
is.
state that. Okay, state this. How can you state this? Today is Tuesday and weather is good. Sorry, weather is good. How can you state this?
So both are statement true. That's why we are said that true proposition.
So my question is, what is the conjunction?
Sir, conjunction. Sir,
Yes.
we know that the between two individual proposition P and Q. So, sir,
Aisha,
true
Aisha,
statement is.
okay, Aisha. Okay, Aisha. ওকে আয়েশা, আমরা সবসময় ম্যাথের মধ্যে থাকি, বাট উই হ্যাভ টু একটু
Sir,
বাইরে যেতে হবে। ইয়েস ইয়েস
today
স্যার।
is Tuesday. This is one condition, and weather is good.
গুড।
This is another condition.
অ্যানাদার
Then both
স্টেটমেন্ট, আই মিন
condition,
প্রপোজিশন।
yes sir, yes sir. So
Yes.
both condition is true. That's why conjunction is true.
So what is the conjunction?
Sir,
My question is,
and sir,
Sir,
why didn't you say?
So today is Tuesday and today weather is good.
sir, conjunction is and.
Very good. Look, that is the
Yes, sir.
complete statement, right? Today is
Yes.
Tuesday and weather is good.
Good. Yes sir.
So dear students, suppose I am asking you what is the condition. We are denoted, but today is Tuesday, we have denoted by P. Today weather is good, we have denoted by Q. This is we have denoted for our simplicity, right? But we need to statement in terms of this. Today is Tuesday and weather is good. This is the conjunction, right? I
Yes,
mean
sir.
this one. You are telling this T,
Yes, sir.
this T. You are telling today is Tuesday. This you are telling today weather is good. This T, and today is Tuesday and weather is good. We are denoted by T, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, this satisfy this conjunction condition, right? What about this one? What about this one? Suppose today is Tuesday. This is definitely right. And weather depends on your area, right? In my area good, your area may be bad. There is a chance. Am I right or not?
Yes
Yes,
sir.
right, sir.
Yes, sir.
So suppose your area is not good. Your area's weather is not good, right?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Compare with this. Now, what will be the conjunction? What will be this? F.
That
How
is
can you
false,
say
sir.
F? Yes. So just state this. Sakibul, state this. Do not say
Okay,
mathematics. I am very weak in math. Don't say mathematics. We have finished this, right? This is a simple thing. Just convert.
Sir,
Please try
like
to
that, sir.
understand. Do not.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Like that, sir. Today is Tuesday and my weather is not good.
Very good, right? I mean, you are telling F. F means what? This is the negation, right?
Yes, sir. That is negation.
False, na?
Yes,
This
sir.
is a negation. You need to convert. Please, dear student, first gather the knowledge and then convert. This is important. As an engineer, you must have to know. As an engineer, must have to know. There are several things we have to convert. We have to compare. This is our main objective. Okay. We know what is conjunction. We have gathered this knowledge. We have already gathered. Logically thinking, we have think everything. What have we done now? Now time we have to implement it, right? Do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Lumna. So you can compare in such a way, something like this, okay? And you can state this. What is the conjunction or something like this? Do you understand this conjunction or do you have any question? I'm not asking this mathematics question. Mathematics is very easy. All these things are easy, but comparison, convert knowledge is important. Okay? I have stated this, what is proposition? Proposition we have denoted by P. But we have to deal with proposition, but at the end of semester, everything, each and every, this is a small segment, right? This is like cell. Proposition, this is a cell, right? Unit,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yes, sir. That is unit.
So all these
It
things,
means cell.
yes, all these things you have to derive all these things by this proposition. But at the end of semester, there is a proposition. What is proposition? We don't know. We are dealing with math. We're only dealing with math. T, okay, T, F, something like this. Huh? So I'm just helping, and you should also help me. Okay? সবকিছুই আপনি পাবেন খুব সহজ, বাট একটু কম্পেয়ার করতে হবে, as
Yes,
all
sir.
these things are very important. As a programmer you have to know everything. If you skip something, then you cannot write a complete program. You have to think everything. Everything, every possibility. There are so many factors here. So you need to think everything, okay? That is our objective actually. So আজকে এই পর্যন্ত রাখি, next time inshallah, because today is first class comparatively, তাই না? আমরা একটু
Yes,
আস্তে
sir.
আস্তে যাই।
Sir, next
আমরা
class, sir,
আজকে
it will
পর্যন্ত
be the better, sir, if you conduct the class in the Zoom, sir.
okay, Abdul Latif.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll try. Sakib Mia now try to join. It's time. Thinking class join করার সময়। Aisha Taslim present. Ashadujaman, MD Ashadujaman.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, Munna present. Farhan Labi present. Hadiujaman.
Yes, sir.
Hadiujaman.
Yes, sir.
Selim Hussain Sohag.
Yes, sir.
Sakibullah Mia. Sakibullah Mian. Mashur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Abdullah Al Mahdi Sohag. Israfil Hussain. Israfil Hussain.
Present,
Hamim
sir.
Hassan.
Present.
হামিম তো ছিল বোধহয়। হামিম, শাহাদাতুল্লাহ নাইম, আনিকা বুশরা,
Yes, sir.
নিয়াজ মোর্শেদ,
Yes, sir.
হুসাইন এমডি সাফার,
Yes, sir.
মন্নি বিশ্বাস,
Yes, sir.
নজরুল ইসলাম, নজরুল ইসলাম, রেদওয়ান আহমেদ রাতুল,
Yes, sir.
মোহাম্মদ সাদিকুল ইসলাম, শেখ মোহাম্মদ
Yes,
সাদিকুল
sir.
ইসলাম, ইমতিয়াজ হোসেন রাফি, রাফি, তানজুম
sir.
প্রেজেন্ট, জুলিয়ানা তনু।
Sir, Tanjung
Yes,
is
sir.
present.
Present, sir.
Hey, I know, you are present. That's why I did not call you.
Sir, Julian.
Hey, Juliana. Farjana Tania.
Yes, sir.
Farjana Tan. Israt Jahan Ira.
Yes, sir.
Israt Jahan. Abdul Khalek. Abdul Khalek. Umme Hani Toma.
Yes, sir.
Anik Paul,
Yes, sir.
MD Shainik Bal.
But there is no electricity on his area, that's why he cannot join.
Thank you. Oh, where is Shining Ball? Farjan Akhtar, Hima.
Present, sir.
Farjan Akhtar, MD Bayezid.
Present, sir.
Raida Fairuz
Present, sir.
Nasra. Roman Afroj.
Present, sir.
Lumna present. Sabrina.
Yes, sir.
Sabrina Akhtar.
Present, sir.
Israt Jahan Lima. Israt
Yes,
Jahan
sir.
Lima.
Yes, sir.
Abdul Latif Talukdar. Abdul Latif
Yes, sir.
Talukdar.
Yes, sir.
Shanta Chaudhary.
Sir, she have net problem, sir. Her ETC has been gone.
Rahatil Mahmuda.
Yes, sir.
Ruhul Amin. MD Ruhul Amin.
Present, sir.
Moshiur Rahman. Moshiur Rahman. Absent. Khaja present. Nahida Islam. Nahida Islam. Nahida Islam absent. Humayun Kabir.
Sir, he has net problem.
Okay. Yeah, would you please write your, on the chat box, you should write your name and ID, okay? Each and every day, at the beginning of the class, you should write, each and every student, you should write name and ID on the
Okay,
chat
sir.
box. Khondokar Sakibul Habib.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Oh, Sakibul to present. Sanjida present. Korchita Roy.
Yes, sir.
Shumaya Islam Shanta.
Yes, sir.
Kaji Faria Sharmin.
Yes, sir.
Siab Sarwar. Siab Sarwar Sharon absent. Jubair Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Jubair Hussain. Sain Hussain.
Yes, sir.
7 to present. Is anybody left, dear student?
Maybe
Sir,
not,
Farhan
sir.
Lavik, sir, I give.
Farhan?
Yes, sir, my
Farhan
present, sir.
Labib. Farhan, would you please tell me your ID,
Sir,
Farhan?
17103006, sir.
3006,
sir.
1730?
Sir, 1710, sir.
Farhan present.
Okay, sir, thank you, sir.
Farhan present. Is anybody left?
Maybe no, sir.
And that's why I told you that you should write your ID in chat box. Then if you claim me, sir, I was present that day. So after checking this, I will give your attendance. Okay, dear student. So don't forget to write your name and ID on the chat box. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And you can check your lecture.
Okay,
You
sir.
can check your
Yes, sir.
lecture on
Okay,
the
sir.
Google Classroom. Okay, so thank you for joining and thank you for spending your time with me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.